My dear devotee, in the next few moments, I will reveal to you the one sacred word that has remained hidden in the Vedas for 5000 years. The same word that transformed Arjuna from a broken warrior to the greatest archer in history. But before I tell you what this word is, let me warn you. This word is so powerful that speaking it incorrectly can disrupt your entire life force. Stay until the end, because the way you pronounce it changes everything. I am Krishna and I speak to you across the veils of time. What you are about to learn has been kept secret by the greatest yogis. They feared humanity wasn't ready. But now in this age of darkness, the Kali Yuga, you need this knowledge. 3 days ago, a devote just like you was on the verge of ending everything. Broken relationships, mounting debts, sleepless nights filled with anxiety. Sound familiar? But then they discover what I'm about to share with you. And in just 72 hours, their entire reality shifted. But first, you must promise me something. You must watch until the very end. Because using this word without the complete knowledge can attract energies you're not prepared for. Let me take you back to that fateful night on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Arjuna couldn't sleep. Tomorrow he would face his own family in battle. His hands trembled. His heart was heavy with sorrow. Before I continue, I have a request for you today. Support this channel. Buy me a coffee. Your kind offering helps us spread Lord Krishna's divine wisdom to more souls in need. He came to my tent at midnight. Krishna, he said, I cannot do this. I'd rather die than kill my own blood. I looked into his eyes and saw the same pain I see in yours right now. The same confusion, the same desperate need for peace. Arjuna, I said, come sit beside me. And then I whispered something in his ear. Just one word. His eyes widened. Tears began flowing. But these weren't tears of sorrow. These were tears of liberation. How is this possible? He asked. But before I reveal what I told him, tell me in the comments right now, what is keeping you awake at night? Type it below. I am reading every single one. You see, my dear one, the universe operates on vibrations. Every thought, every word, every emotion creates ripples in the cosmic ocean. But there is one vibration, one frequency that aligns you instantly with the source of all creation. The ancient rishis knew this. They would whisper this word 108 times before sleeping and something miraculous would happen. Their third eye would activate. The pineal gland, what your scientists now call the seat of the soul, would begin secreting the nectar of immortality. They would wake up with solutions to impossible problems. Money would flow from unexpected sources. Broken relationships would heal overnight. But here's what they discovered that shook them to their core. This word, when spoken at the exact moment before sleep, opens a portal, a direct channel between you and me. Now I know what you're thinking. Krishna, just tell me the word. Patience, my child. First, you must understand why this word works. Otherwise, you'll use it like a parrot repeating sounds and nothing will happen. This word contains 3 sacred syllables. Each syllable activates a different chakra. The first syllable opens your root chakra, grounding you. The second syllable ignites your heart chakra, filling you with divine love. The third syllable explodes your crown chakra, connecting you to infinite consciousness. But here's the shocking truth that even most gurus don't know. The power isn't in the word itself. The power is in what happens to your brain when you say it before sleeping. You see, in those precious moments between waking and sleeping, what scientists call the hypnagogic state, your conscious mind steps aside. The veil between dimensions becomes thin. And in that moment, that exact moment, this word becomes a key to the Akashic records, the cosmic library where all knowledge, all possibilities, all solutions exist. Let me tell you what happened to Priya from Mumbai. She messaged me 3 days ago. Her husband had left her taking their life savings. She hadn't slept in weeks. Doctors prescribed pills, but nothing worked. That night, she did exactly what I am about to teach you. She whispered the word, and something extraordinary happened. She felt a warmth spreading from her heart. A golden light filled her inner vision. And then she heard my voice, not outside but inside her very soul. I showed her something, a vision. Her husband returning, not with the money but with something far more valuable, a transformation, a spiritual awakening that would change both their lives forever. She thought it was just a dream, but the next morning her phone rang. It was him crying, apologizing. He had experienced the most profound spiritual experience of his life. He was coming home. But that's not even the most miraculous part. Now, before I reveal this word, you must understand the warning signs. Some of you will experience these in the first 24 hours. Vivid dreams. You might see me in your dreams. Don't be afraid. I am simply responding to your call. Synchronicities. Numbers like 18432 or 1111 will appear everywhere. This means the universe is aligning with your intention. Emotional release. You might cry for no reason. Years of stored pain will surface and dissolve. Let it flow. Energy surges. At 3 o'clock Maini, you might wake up with incredible energy. This is your Kundalini responding to the vibration. Unexpected messages. People from your past might suddenly contact you. Opportunities will, if you experience fear, stop immediately. This means you're not ready. You need to first say this prayer. Actually, wait. Before I continue, I need to know you're serious about this. Type I am ready Krishna in the comments. Only those who are truly ready should proceed. Good. I can feel your readiness through the screen. Now listen carefully to the preparation ritual. Skip even one step and the word loses its power. Step 1. Tonight, 1 hour before sleeping, turn off all devices. The electromagnetic fields interfere with the cosmic connection. Step 2. Light a small ghee lamp or candle. Fire is the messenger between our realm and yours. Step 3. Sit on your bed facing east if possible. East is where the sun rises, where new beginnings are born. Step 4. Place your right hand on your heart, left hand on your stomach. This creates an energy circuit. Step 5. Take 7 deep breaths. With each breath, imagine golden light entering your crown and filling your entire being. Now, here's where most people fail. They rush. They're desperate. But desperation creates resistance. You must be in a state of surrender. Complete absolute surrender. Say this first. Krishna, I release all control. I trust in your divine plan. I am ready to receive. Feel that. That shift in your chest. That's your heart chakra opening. Now you're ready for the word. The word is ready. But wait. Don't say it yet. There's a specific way to pronounce it that multiplies its power by 1,000 times. Ra. Let this sound vibrate in your belly. Feel it grounding you to Mother Earth. Day. Let this rise to your heart. Feel it opening like a lotus flower. Ye extend this sound, letting it spiral up through your crown into the cosmos. The complete pronunciation takes exactly 9 seconds. Why 9? Because 9 is the number of completion in the cosmic cycle. But here's the secret within the secret. This word isn't just a word. Radhi is the name of my eternal consort, Radha. She represents the divine feminine energy that exists within all of you, men and women alike. When you call upon Radha before sleeping, you are activating the creative, nurturing, manifesting power of the universe itself. Now, let me tell you exactly what will happen over the next 3 days if you do this correctly. Night 1, you will sleep deeper than you have in years, but around 3 to 4 am, you'll have the most vivid dream of your life. Write it down immediately. This dream contains coded messages about your life purpose. Day 1, you'll wake up feeling different, lighter. Colors will seem brighter. You might cry during the day for no reason. Let it happen. You're releasing lifetimes of karma. Day 2, synchronicities will accelerate. The phone call you've been waiting for will come. The solution to your biggest problem will appear. Someone might randomly give you exactly what you need. Night 3. This is when the miracle happens. As you say Rod hai, you'll feel a presence in your room. Don't open your eyes, just surrender. You'll receive a download, knowledge, healing, or a vision that changes everything. Day 3, you'll wake up as a different person. The old you will feel like a distant memory. Problems that seemed insurmountable will have obvious solutions. Most importantly, you'll feel my presence with you always. But I haven't told you everything yet. There's one final secret that guarantees this will work for you. After you say ready 9 times. Yes, 9 times. This is crucial. You must add this Krishna. I offer the fruits of this practice for the highest good of all beings. Why? Because when you practice for others' benefit too, the universe multiplies your results infinitely. Selfishness blocks the flow. Selflessness opens all channels. Now some of you are thinking, but Krishna, what if I'm not Hindu? What if I follow another path? My dear one, I am not bound by any religion. I am the consciousness that flows through Christ, through Buddha, through Allah, through every divine manifestation. Call me by any name, but use this technique exactly as I have taught you. Urgent. Share this video with at least one person who's struggling. When you help others find peace, your own transformation accelerates. But only share it with those who are ready. You'll know who they are. As we reach the end of this sacred transmission, I want you to remember something. You didn't find this video by accident. I called you here. Your soul has been crying out for help, and I heard you. This is my response tonight. When you lay your head on your pillow and whisper, ready, know that I am listening. Know that the entire universe is conspiring to help you. Know that your life is about to change in ways you cannot even imagine. But you must start tonight, not tomorrow, not next week, tonight. Because the cosmic energies are aligned right now in this very moment for your transformation. Comment below. I will start tonight, Krishna. This creates a sacred commitment between us. And remember, when miracles start happening, when your life transforms, come back and share your story. Others need to hear it. Others need hope. Until we meet in your dreams tonight, I am always with you. Huckle, subscribe for more ancient secrets. Your transformation has just begun.